Hi everyone, it's Miss Neiman again, and today I want to just do a short video on how to make the table and the graph with some equations like the ones you're using for your project. So I took a couple of samples here. The one here, this one here, that one is for if you were to become an engineer, a civil engineer, so go into college, that's your option A. And then this one is the option B, it's for a barista, not going to college. So first thing we have to do is fill in the table. I didn't show you this in a video before, but I'm going to show you now. I think maybe we should, this will save you a lot of time. So you don't have to actually do all of the calculations when you use Excel. Isn't that nice? That's what computers are for. So what we can do is we can put the equation up here in the toolbar, and it'll do the math for us. So I have to start with equals. I'm going to do 75,000 times, and I use the asterisk button, which is the shift key over the 8 there. And then I'm just going to highlight my first row, and then it's minus 120,000 and press enter. Boom, I get my answer. Now here's the really cool thing, you don't have to keep typing this formula in every time. You can actually, if you see this little square here, you can actually grab onto that, pull it on down, bada bing bada boom, and here are all your calculations. So let's do the same for the next one. So option B, the barista, and I'm going to equals. Don't forget that equals sign. That always kind of throws me off. Times the X, and then 131, 120. Oh, I forgot a plus sign. See, I forgot a plus sign, and it obviously, or actually, yeah, I forgot a plus sign, and it says, what? That doesn't work. So, oopsie. There's my plus sign. Boom! Now it works. Okay. So, I'll pull it on down. And great. There are all my years. Now, since I've gotten X going all the way to 20 years, it actually will create, when I go to make the table, or excuse me, the graph, it'll actually use that information there. So, here we go. I highlight the whole thing, remember? And I can right-click or find this menu. So I'm going to go to charts. I'll pick the line one, and here it is. So you can see down at the bottom, it's got labeled what the blue line is and what the red line is, and we can see right around here, and if I follow it up and put my glasses on, somewhere around 6 years is where I break even. And if I look here at my table, same thing happens. That's where we're about even. So this person, after 6 years, they will kind of break even and start making more money. And if you look down here, after 20 years, this person has made $786,720 as a barista. But as a civil engineer, you've made almost $1.5 million. So that's pretty cool. And we're not even talking about raises. So anyways, chart title, if you want to put your title in there, you just go in and type it. Maybe I'm going to do something like, civil engineer versus barista. And you could do it as simple as like, option 1 versus option 2. Maybe make it a little bigger. Great. All right. Hope that helps. Yeah, and good luck with the project. You guys are doing great. Finish strong. Thanks, everyone.